आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साई न्यूज में ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 20th September 2020. The headlines are: Lok Sabha passes the Companies Amendment Bill for the discriminate various corporate offences. Also passed the taxation bill to provide the relief to pay the taxpayer. India overtake US in the term of the global COVID-19 recoveries. Center reviews the measure take to the curb air pollution in the Delhi NCR before onset of the harvesting and winter season. In IPL cricket, Chennai Super Kings beats the defending champion Mumbai Indians by 5 wickets in Abu Dhabi. Lok Sabha has passed Companies Bill 2020, which discriminates a number of the technical and the filing-related corporate offences. It also allowed to direct the listing and the Indian companies on the foreign stock exchange and to revoke the criminal provision added to the Companies Act and the violation provision of the corporate social responsibilities rules. The bill, which is the seek the decriminalize for the various panel provision and the introduce a new chapter related producer organization in the legislature, was passed by the lower house in the late night, speaking the legislature's finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman, and the discrimination of the various provision under the companies law will be the help was accompanied by the reducing irrigation borders and of them. Lok Sabha also passes the taxation and other the relaxation bills for the 2020. The bill aimed at providing the relaxation related to the companies by the extending time limited, waiving the penalty and the relations of the certain scientific laws. The legislature provides this relaxation in the view of spread of the coronavirus pandemic in India, and the bill the process for the amendment in the act of the provided domination made by the person of the PM Care Fund will be the eligible for the 100% reduction in the taxable income. The Rajya Sabha passed the Insolvency and the Bankruptcy Code Second Amendment Bill for the year 2020 yesterday. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman moved for the bill in the House, for which is the amendment to the Insolvency and the Bankruptcy Code 2016, which provide a time-bound processes for the resolving the insolvency in the companies and among the individuals. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has said those who are opposing center form bills will be created and confusing by the provoking farmers. Principal Secretary and Prime Minister Dr. P.K. Mishra chair for the meeting of House of the High Level Task Force, the constituent to improve the air quality and the National Capital Region of Delhi. Dr. Mishra emphasized that the meeting was called well the advance before the onset of the harvesting and then winter season to ensure the proper precaution and prevention measure of the combat to causes of air pollution and air are taken well in time. It was observed that after the recent inclusion of the residue and base for power for the fuel plant under the priority sector leading the Reserve Bank of the India, both of the state and central government should be jointly work out the action plan for the rapid development such units. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be laid the foundation stone of the 9 highway project in the Bihar through the video conferencing today. Tomorrow, these are the highways. The project involve about the 350-kilometer road at a cost of the 4,258 crore rupees, and the paving for the well-enhanced better connectivity and the convenience economic growth in the around the state. The health minister said India has overtaken the US, became the number one of the term of the global COVID-19 recoveries. Constantly increasing the recoveries have ensured that the actual cash load rate of the country is reduced, and currently the comprises for the 19.10% of the total positive cases. Presently, the total number of the active cases in the country, the 10,13,000. The ministry says the effective implementation of the sentence strategic and the graded test, talk and the treat approach has led to higher recoveries and lower the fatality. Currently, India has the fatality rate is the 1.61%, which is the one of the lowest global in the last 24 hours. 1,247 deaths would be reported, taking the toll of the 85,619. India COVID-19 daily the crosses the 53 lakhs with the 93,337 new infection. With the maximum case load are the Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Uttar Pradesh. In Bihar, COVID-19 recovery rate has improved for the 91.60%, which is the 13% more than the national average. Active cases for the state continuously decreasing, and the casualty due to the corona has the 861. And the state health minister Mangal Pandey said for the every day the even the 1 lakh COVID-19 tested has been conducted. For the first time, the Leh held the councilling election in the administration of the Union Territory Ladakh, issuing the postal battles for the person other than the services persons. For the election to the Ladakh Autonomous Hills Development Council, voters under the new category have been added a while for the postal ball facility. You were listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 20 September 2020. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it. Till then, goodbye.
आइए हम आपको आज बताते हैं कि किस तरह से आपको लिमटी की लालटेन समाचार एजेंसी इंडिया या साई न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करना है। आपके पास यूट्यूब होगा, आप यूट्यूब खोलिए। यूट्यूब में आप सर्च बटन पर ऊपर जाइए, ऊपर सर्च बटन पर आप टाइप करिए LIMTY, स्पेस दीजिए KHARE। इसके बाद आप एंटर दबाइए। जैसे ही आप एंटर दबाते हैं तो ये पेज खुल जाएगा। यहाँ पेज में आप देखिएगा ये इस तरीके का नज़ारा आपको दिखेगा। इसके साथ ही आप यहाँ देखिए LIMTY KHARE आपको लिखा दिख रहा है। इसके बाजू में आप राइट साइड में देखिएगा, यहाँ सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है। ये सब्सक्राइब बटन अभी लाल रंग का दिख रहा है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को आपको क्लिक करना है। जैसे ही आप ये सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करेंगे, आप देखिए इसका रंग लाल नहीं रह जाएगा। ये आपने सब्सक्राइब की जगह सब्सक्राइब्ड लिखा आ गया, आपने इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है, पर अभी आपका काम पूरा नहीं हुआ है। अभी आपको इसके बाजू में आप देखिए एक घंटी का बटन आपको दिख रहा है। ये घंटी का बटन आपको दिख रहा है। ये घंटी का बटन आप इसको अगर घंटी के बटन को प्रेस करेंगे तो 3 ऑप्शन आते हैं, ऑल, पर्सनलाइज्ड और नन। तो इसमें आपको ऑल बटन को पुश करना है। आप जैसे ही आप देखिएगा ये ऑल बटन पुश करते हैं, हाईलाइटेड हो जाती है घंटी। इसके बाद जितने भी समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया पर वीडियोस डलेंगे, सारे के सारे वीडियोस आपको तुरंत दिख जाएंगे, देखने को मिल जाएंगे। ये हम आपको जो दिखा रहे हैं किस तरीके से आपको समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया को की चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है। ये पर्सनलाइज्ड और उसके बाद सब्सक्राइब बटन दबाइए, लाल के बाद वो लाल रंग नहीं